It's showtime! Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our flag racing bird, Bandit. Well, Bandit is a green-winged macaw, also known as a red and green macaw. And these birds are widespread in the forest and open woodlands of northern to central South America. Did you know, guys, that parrots are social beings? They love to be together with their partners, fly together in clubs, and here in captivity they get written with their trainers. And there you go, folks, our challenge officially started. Round of applause for flag racing bird, Bandit. Okay, let's wait for our birds. Let's go blue and azul. Let's do the basketball game. So here comes our birds. So before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the girls, let's cheer for azul. Come on, girls, say, go azul, go azul. Okay, now for the boys, let's cheer for blue. Come on, boys, say, go blue, go blue,
go blue, go blue.
Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Yes! Energy, are you guys ready?
Yes!
Okay, so trainers, birds, ready, set, go! Come on, guys, let's cheer for our birds. Here comes the azul on the table. First ball for azul.
Go blue, go blue, go blue.
Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round?
Yeah!
Okay, so trainers, birds, ready, set, go! Come on, guys, let's cheer for azul to win this game. Here comes blue for the first ring. Hey! What is this? Azul pick up all the clearings at the same time with a clever play by the girls. And the winner is...
Yes,
Let's give her up. Again, Mom Christy. Okay, applause for our volunteer, Mom Christy. Okay, ma'am. Have your money bill. Holding it. Kuya, please stand on this way. Okay, ma'am. Stand right there. Face towards the table. Extend your left arm like this. Okay, I'll be putting your money between your fingers. Okay, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am. Let's call in our money bird, Blue. Let's go, Blue. Blue flies over. Here's the money. Okay, just your arms, ma'am. Blue flies back on the table and blue wants to. There you go! Don't make it the money! Let's give her a applause for our dollar! Okay, ma'am. Now that you know your money will go a long, long way, we're very grateful for that, ma'am. You can go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Okay, ma'am. Face here, ma'am. Face here. Face the camera and smile together with good. Thank you so much, Blue. Here's your phone, ma'am. And here's your money bag. Let's give her applause for our volunteer. Once again, our money bird, Blue. Now, who knows this game? This is called the Shape Box Puzzle. I used to remember playing this game while you were still kids. Now let's call in Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting the shapes right back.
Siya Firmino, kanino?
Take out, guys. Although the shape box puzzle is a learned behavior, this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, memory, and perception. Again, guys, parrots have very good memories and they can
Square! Yay!
So they use this method to find outer. And these birds typically with the seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. Alright, there you go.
Ate, nice.
Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie.
It's no more boring now.
So guys, do you believe that Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's a yes, that means you're cheer. You can do it, Goldie.
You can do it, Goldie.
Okay, Goldie, find the hidden object for us, please. Where could it be? Goldie is searching, scanning his cup, using her psychic power. There! I'll be needing two numbers from you guys between 1 to 50. Alright, first number please, 1 to 50.
50!
Again, louder.
50! 50!
Or 50.
50!
0? Okay, sige, ito sa kasunod number, okay, 1. second number?
10.
10. It's 10. Okay, so we have the equation ready. It's 50 plus 10. So we all know the answer, right? We all know the answer.
Yes.
Not tell the answer yet. Let us see for mathematical wizard who can solve this equation for us. But before that, just let me shuffle the numbers first.
Nakasiguro na technique ko yung sa
Okay, so the numbers has been shuffled. Let's call in our great mathematician, Snow.
Wow!
Tawag ka ng behavior is mimicry.
This is my...
Okay, so Trader Jan, let's now analyze the equation. It's 50 plus 10.
Zoom on.
Okay, ready na? Trader Jan, let's now solve the equation for us, please. Okay, Apex number 6 is the first number, correct?
Yes!
Sure mo guys?
Yes!
Okay, up to the second number. Let's go now. Complete your answer. There you go. We answered it correctly. Let's give our applause for great mathematician. Oh.
Yay!
And here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two species of raptors. We have a Bradley kite and a Philippine serpent eagle. Now, guys, ready your cameras. Here comes our Bradley kite kingdom. They're widespread all over the Southeast Asia, and they can be found in Bangladesh, Pakistan, and along China. They are called as redback sea eagles in Australia. Also, guys, they can be found here in the major islands of the Philippines, and they are locally known as Lawin or Antiques. Okay, up next for raptors, let's call in our Philippine serpent eagle. Ready? Philippine serpent eagles are typically known as Pilotis holospilus. They can easily be distinguished by the other eagle species through their well-defined white spots around their body. They also have a naked yellow face and naked yellow feet. As you can see, our eagle right here has a heavy hair, and they have this stronger body. So they tend to prey on larger animals such as rodents, other birds, and snakes. That's why they are also called a serpent eagle, because in the wild, they feed on snakes and other reptiles. Okay guys, here's a trivia about our birds of prey. So both Bradley and Kingdom are rescued animals, meaning they were donated by the DE and Mars. Okay, so there you go, magnificent, right? Okay, so up next, for flying birds. Now look. Homing ability, meaning they can go back to their nest and mate. They also have a special sense called the magnetoreception, where they can detect the Earth's magnetic layers, perceive direction, altitude, and location. Okay, so there you go. That's it for raptors and hope. Right, now let's call in our lovely bird once again, and he's going to show us how to use the proper waste disposal by following the 3 R's. It helps keep our environment clean and fresh, safe to your farming, and sad to say, guys, with a lot of animals who are struggling their everyday lives right now.
Wow, you see? May pang bird, very good. How to dispose properly, see?
Our mother nature. Let's call this from Jane Goodall. But only if we understand, we will care. And only if we care, we will help. And only if we help, shall we all.
Yay!
See, but you can do it, then so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. From exploitation or even extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world, because remember, this is the only home that we've got.
Yay!